Alright, here's the Mazak. Get some tool changes here. All 8 work fine. No issues. The coolant works through. There's a few spots where it's leaking a little bit out of there when the coolant's going, but it's not too bad. Pretty typical lathe stuff. You change the O-rings. We're running at 200 RPM right now. We can speed this up. We're at 500 RPM, 600, 700, 800, 900. That's 1,000 RPM there. I don't think I've ever ran it this fast, honestly. Let's see, I'll take it up to 150. I don't even know what the max RPM is. Well, that's 150 or 1,500. So, yeah, she's a decent little lathe. Okay, move with the Z, move the X. Stop limit. It's the other way. Everything's smooth, runs as it should. This machine does have the tool setter on it. Push the measure button there, goes down. You push the off button, goes back up. It's really nice for touching off tools.